Okay, hello Santi partners all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm your coach in business, Eliboy Cadayona. Right now, I'm here in our manufacturing plant in New Zealand. Okay, so grabe. Alam nyo guys, sobrang na-amaze ako kasi nga this is it, no? Nakaka-proud kasi why you need to choose Santi Barley as the company. Tingin ko lang yung four-legged horse. Unang-una sa company natin, we are already 16 years in Philippines, no? In the market. And international, we have 10 branches already. Bukas lang natin ng US and of course Indonesia. And this year, abangan nyo yung dalawang bubuksan pa na country. Nakakatuwa when it comes sa company, napaka-stable kasi lalo sa mga may-ari. So you cannot question their experience pagdating sa ganitong klaseng business. Yun yung number one, no? Sa company natin. So we have a lot of amenities, lalo sa Pilipinas, no? We have our own yacht and we have our own facilities na yan na we can enjoy, no, as a distributor. Alright, so yan yung mga facilities natin sa Philippines. And of course, here in New Zealand, the first Filipino who own a manufacturing plant in New Zealand. And we visited a while ago, no, ang ating manufacturing plant. And we have farmers, partners, like roughly mga 400 hectares na plantation ng barley, no. So ganun siya kalawak, guys. Matatakot, no, about the supply of our products, the distribution of our products. Hindi mako-compromise yun kasi ang laki, ang lawak ng ating farm, right? So yun yung sa ating supply natin product. Now sa products naman, no, produkto natin, super ganda ng products. We have a lot of good products in the market right now, but may mga products kasi na hindi pwedeng inumin ng bata, may mga products na hindi pwedeng inumin ng matatanda. While our products, guys, products na to sa damo. So anybody can intake, baby ka man, lalaki, babae, matanda, lahat pwedeng kainin to, pwedeng inumin. Ako right now pwede kong kainin to. Di ba? So masarap siya. Ibig sabihin, kahit sino pwedeng uminom ng produkto natin o pwedeng gamitin. So hindi mo kailangan magkasakit para uminom ka ng barley. Para gusto mo maging healthy, uminom ka ng barley, no? So from here sa damo na to, then goes to the box, no, and canister. Imagine niyo, no, from farming to canister and box. So ganun po siya kaganda. So yung iniinom natin ngayon, kung saan ka man naroon ngayon, yung iniinom mo, fresh na fresh yan, galing dito. Kanina lang hina-harvest po yung products natin. Grabe, in 30 minutes nakarating na po yan sa manufacturing plant natin and ipapowderize na po yan. Alright, so ano na yung pangatlo? Pangatlo naman natin is all about the system, no? We own the system, of course. Alam naman natin yan. And ang system is very important kasi kung walang system at hindi mo masasabing stable ang isang negosyo if you don't have a system. Lalong-lalo na kung ikaw yung system. So we are proud that company we own the system. Stable ang system ng Santi. Now, pang-apat, yung ating compensation plan. Sa compensation plan naman, most of the company nagsasarado because hindi safe yung compensation plan nila. Man, ito igagaranti ko sa inyo. I've been in this business in Santi Barley for quite a while, but until now, no, yung kanilang compensation plan, they never change because they know that their compensation plan is safe. Okay? So yun po yung mga apat na dahilan bakit you need to choose Santi Barley as your lifetime company. So with that, guys, thank you so much for this video. And of course, I'm your coach in business, Eliboy Cadayona, and I'm always on grass. Bye bye, guys.